You are not stuck. You are a poet, a master of beautiful excuses that sound so reasonable you believe them yourself. My situation is unique. No, your fear is common. It's not the right time. There is no perfect moment carved in stone. I don't have what others have. Others started with less and refused to romanticize their limits. I'm being responsible. You are being afraid. These stories become your identity, a prison built from your own words. You prefer beautiful lies to ugly truths about your own behavior. The successful face the same constraints. They just refuse to write poetry about them. Your excuses are not obstacles. They are fiction. Stop crafting elaborate narratives about why you cannot move. Start writing a different ending. Discipline sees through the stories. Weakness believes them. The marble does not make excuses for the chisel. That's the marble mindset.